morning, students. I am Naraz, Maths faculty in Target High School at Tadapatri. You know very well, students. Right. Today we discuss about 14th chapter in your syllabus, surface areas and volumes. Okay. Observe in surface areas. So flat surface means we are taking the lateral surface, friends. Okay. Before that, I introduced two important points. One is plane figures, another one is solid figures. What is plane figures? Plane figures. Plane figures also called as 2D figures. Also called as 2D figures. Okay, students. D for dimensions. D for dimension. The figures consisting of two dimensions, that is length and breadth only. Length and breadth only. Observe the one paper. Observe the paper, students. Just first part observe here, having a length and also breadth. Okay, having just two dimensions. Like that, this type of figures are called as plane figures or 2D figures. Once I repeat, the figures consisting of two dimensions, that is length and breadth only, are called plane figures or 2D figures. Yes, in our daily life we know very well, students, matchbox. Sorry. In mathematical way, observe triangles. Next, circles. And again, quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral means we can take all types: trapezium, parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, and also square, quite whatever it may be. All are two-dimensional figures. Circle also two-dimensional figures. In triangles also 6 types are there. You know very well. First one is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, next scaling triangle. Next one, another way of is there or not? Acute triangle, obtuse triangle, right angle triangle. So 6 types are there regarding angle space and again side space. So any type of triangles are 2D figure, students. So observe here, I take one triangle. Yes, how to take in two dimensions? Okay, here observe sides, one dimension. Angles also another dimension. Here two dimensions are. That's why it is a 2D figure. And comes to circle, students. So many mathematicians discussed here. Circle having just we know the radius. It is a fixed point. We know the radius. We draw a circle easily. But here only one dimension. But how to take a two-dimensional figure like this? So here. Totally, we have taken like this diagram. So here one side radius, here also other side radius. Totally, radius we have taken in twice. That's why two dimensions. Radius taken twice are there. That's why circle is a two-dimensional figure. Next, quadrilateral. Yes, I take one quadrilateral like this. Here also sides and also angle, or sides and also a diagonals. Here two dimensions are there. That's why these are two-dimensional figures. So triangles, circles and quadrilaterals are two-dimensional figures. Okay, students, understood I thought. Right, go for next one. Plane figures. Solid figures. Solid figures are also called as 3D figures, that is three-dimensional figures. Right, students? Okay. The figures consisting of three dimensions, that is length, breadth and also height, are said to be solid figures or three-dimensional figures. Okay, students? So observe here. Sometimes height replace, we have taken thickness like this. Thickness or depth. Okay, so here in general life, in our daily life, we saw different type of 3D figures. Observe, duster is a 3D figure. So varies 3 dimensions: length and also breadth and also height. Isn't it? Right. Duster is a 3D figure. Geometry box also a 3D figure. Next, Chalkpiece box also a 3D figure. Next, our textbook, mathematics textbook also a 3D figures. Okay, and also we have taken brick. Brick also a 3D figure. Matchbox also a 3D figure. Like this, we have taken different type of examples in our career. Okay, in mathematically, some diagrams are there. It is related to 3D figures. Right, mathematically, this is general life. And second one, observe here. Cuboid. Okay, cube. Next, cylinder, and cone. Prism. Next one, sphere, hemisphere, and so on, students. Okay, these are 3-dimensional figures. In our syllabus, we discussed just 2 3D figures, that is cuboid and cube, students. Cuboid and cube. Okay, let us discuss about what is cuboid and what is cube. Okay, observe carefully, students. Right. First, cuboid, observe, students. What is a cuboid? How many faces are there? How many vertices are there? How many edges are there? And again, we have taken the different formulas are there. So in school time, in general class, we have taken the derivation part also. But we learn here important formula. It is also very, very important in our competitive examinations like NTSC and CV Raman and like whatever may be in different competitive examinations. Yes, what is cuboid? Yes, I draw a diagram. Observe carefully, all of you students. Right. Draw a rectangle. So and also another rectangle. Like these, students. Right. Join them. This is one of the cuboid parts, or you can take another one. Right, students. Take a scale and draw. Yes, you can easily identify cuboid parts, students. Okay, this is a cuboid, students. So duster we know very well. This is a length and this is a breadth and this is a height. And take a paper. Paper is a 2-dimensional figure. And take more papers and on top one by one you can keep there, and automatically 2-dimensional figure convert into 3-dimensional figure. Okay, so like this, here observe, this is L. Okay, and here observe, this is the breadth and this is the height, students. Okay, right, observe here, length, breadth, height. Okay, faces, number of faces. Yes, I take just one diagram. Okay, so here is this one, observe aside, number of faces. Number of faces and also number of vertices. Next, number of edges. Number of edges. Faces. Okay, taken like this. 1 on back side. 2, 3, 4, 5 and also 6. Okay. How many faces, students? 6 faces. vertices, vertex vertices. Okay, before that, here observe. First one, A, B, C, and also first rectangle. Next rectangle, E, F, and also G, and also H. So here, A is a vertex. Vertex is singular, vertex is plural. Total how many of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices are there. Okay. Next, number of edges. Edges nothing but here. These are the edges, nothing but borders. Simply we have taken lines. So observe here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Complete this side. Next, 5, 6, 7, 8. Completed. Next one. 9, 10, 11, and also 12. These are the edges. These are the edges. Right, observe. Okay, diagram after definition of the students. A solid figure which has 6 rectangular faces is called a cuboid. Observe duster. Here, this is the rectangle and backside rectangle. Here also rectangle is there. Okay, and top also observe. Here also rectangle and backside also rectangle. All 6 rectangular but not equal. But not equal. Here length is different, breadth is different. Here also length is different, breadth is different. Here also length and breadth are different. So 6 rectangular faces but not equal. So once I repeat, students, a solid figure which has 6 rectangular faces is called a cuboid. Cuboid has 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. Okay, observe related formulae, students. Okay, let us clean this one. Formulae. Formula singular, formulae plural. Okay, 5 formulas are there. Observe carefully. Here observe, student. This is the length. Okay, length. Here also length. This is also length. This is also length. 4 L's are there. Next, breadth observe, students. 1. Here also 2, 3, and also here 4. Next, this is the edge. Here also 2. Next, here also 3. And here also 4. Now clear idea. Okay. First one, lateral surface area, and second one, total surface area. Next, third one, diagonal formula. Fourth one, perimeter formula. Next one, value we discuss later, no problem, but no. Right, observe. Lateral surface area. Lateral. Okay. Here observe. What is the main difference lateral surface area and total surface? Total means we have taken, here observe. Like this, it is also a cuboidal shape. Excluding means without. Excluding top and bottom. Excluding top and bottom is called a lateral surface area. Including top and bottom along with sides means here observe face and back side, here also, and including top and bottom also, it is total surface area. Okay, students, observe here. LSA abbreviation, lateral surface area, total surface area. Okay, lateral surface area of a cuboidal formula 2h of L plus B. 2h of L plus B. Okay, students, this formula also used as area of 4 walls. Area of 4 walls. Okay, here area of 4 walls. Observe in your house, one room taken without top and bottom. Okay, area 4 walls, just this one only. 1, 2, 3, 4. Area 4 walls only. We are taken 6. We are not taken 6 walls. If it is taken total surface area means top and bottom also taken. Okay. So this formula also used as area of four walls. Area of four walls. Next one. Total surface area to of LB plus BH plus HL. Next, diagonal formula square root of L square plus B square plus H square. Next, perimeter. Perimeter means total length of a figure. How many L's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many B's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many H's are there? 1, 2, 3 and also 4. So that means 4 of L plus B plus H. 4 of L plus B plus H. Next value equal to L into B into H. L into B into H. These are the formula, students. Once I repeat. A solid figure which has 6 rectangular faces is called a cuboid. Cuboid having 6 faces, 8 vertices, 12 edges. Observe the formulas. Here, L for length, B for breadth, H for height. First one, LSA, lateral surface area. LSA equal to 2H of L plus B. This formula also used as area of four walls. Next, TSA means total surface area. So, total surface area formula is 2 of LB plus BH plus HL. Next, diagonal square root of L square plus B square plus H square. And perimeter equal to 4 of L plus B plus H and value equal to LBH. These all are derivations are there. We discuss in a class, students. Okay. So learn carefully, practice carefully, write in rough notebook, students. Observe carefully. Yes. Observe the problem carefully, students. Find the surface area of a cuboid whose length, breadth and height are 15 cm, 12 cm, 10 cm respectively. While analyze the problem, what we find? Surface area. We know two surface areas. One is LSA, means lateral surface area. Another one is total surface area. Find out both, students. Right. Observe carefully. Solution given. Solution given in cuboid. Like this taken. Cuboid. Heading taken, students. How much length value? 15 centimeter. L equal to 15 centimeters and B equal to how much? 12 centimeters and H equal to 10 centimeters. H equal to 10 centimeters. We know 3 dimensions LBH. Then find. First of all, LSA. LSA. What is LSA formula? Yes, 2H of L plus B. 2H of L plus B. Yes, substitute the values. 2 into H, how much, students? 10. 2 into 10 of L value 15, B value 12. 15 plus 12, which implies 2 10s are 20 into 15 plus 12, nothing but 27. Okay. So 27 2s are 54. That is 540 square centimeters. 540 square centimeters. That is LSA, students. So consider as number 1. And 2. TSA. TSA equal to, right, what is the formula? 2 of LB plus BH plus HL. 2 of LB plus BH plus HL. So then that implies 2 of L value 15. 15 into 12 plus H value 10. 12 into 10 plus 10 into 15. 10 into 15. It becomes 2 of. Okay. 15 10s are 150, 15 2s are 30. 180 plus 12 10s are 120 plus 10 15s are 150. So then that implies 2 into 10 into 15 into 12 into 180 plus 12 10s are 120 plus 10 15s are 150. So then that implies 2 into 10 into 15 into 12 into 180 plus 10 15s are 150. So then that implies 2 into 10 into 15 into 12 into 180 plus 10 15s are 150. So then that implies 2 into 10 into 15 into 12 into 180 plus 10 15s are 150. So then that implies 2 into 10 into 15 into 12 into 180 plus 10 15s are 150. So then that implies 2 into 10 into 15 into 12 into 180 plus 10 15s are 150. So then that implies 2 into 10 into 15 into 12 into 180 plus 10 15s are 150. So then that implies 2 into 10 into 15 into 12 into 180 plus 10 15s are 150. So then that implies 2 into 10 into 15 into 12 into 180 plus 10 15s are 150. So then that implies 2 into 10 into 15 into 12 into 180 plus 10 15 180 plus 120, 300. 300 plus 150, 450. 2 into 450. 2 into 450, how much value? 900. 900 square centimeters. 900 square centimeters. This is the way of approachment, students. Okay, same problem we are taken. Find the diagonal and also perimeter. Diagonal and also a perimeter. Same problem, observe, students. So, problem number 2. Find the surface area replace. We have taken perimeter and also diagonal. Okay, perimeter simply. Why? Because of it is a lengthy problem. Okay, perimeters and also diagonal. Okay. Find the perimeter diagonal of a cuboid whose length, breadth and height are 15 cm, 12 and also 10 centimeters. Right, students? I thought understood this method. Yes, first one, observe, students, all of you. Number 1, perimeter. What is perimeter? What is perimeter of a cuboid formula? Yes, that is 4 of L plus B plus H. So 4 of L plus B plus H. So then that implies 4 of, what about L value here? 15 plus 12 plus 10. So it becomes 4 into 15 plus 12, 27, 27 plus 10, 37. So it becomes 4 7 are 28, 4 3 are 12, 148. 148 centimeters. 148 centimeters. So perimeter also completed, students. Then we go for diagonal. Diagonal. What is diagonal formula? Square root of L square plus B square plus H square. Okay. This is the diagonal formula of a cuboid, students. Then find L value 15. That is 15 square plus 12 square plus 10 square. 15 square plus 12 square plus 10 square. Okay. So observe, students. Square root of. In 6th chapter, square roots and cube roots. Already we know learn different types. 1 square equal to 1, 2 square equal to 4, 3 square equal to 9 and so on. Okay. 15 square value 225. Isn't it? Plus 12 square 144 and 10 square 100. So then that implies square root of. Okay. I add the values 0, 4, 5, 9. Next 0, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. Next 1, 2, 4, 69. 469. So there is no square root of 469. So 469 diagonal means centimeters. 469 square root of 469 square centimeters. So observe formula. We discuss LSA, TSA, perimeter, diagonal. 4 formulas. How to apply by the given problem, students. So we applying 4 formulas in that problem. Okay. Let us go for another problem, students. Right. Observe third problem, students. The sum of LBH of a cuboid is 19 centimeters and its diagonal is 5 root 5 centimeter. Then find surface area. Okay. Surface area means you can take 2 formulas are there. In that, this type of problems we have taken just TSA, total surface area, students. Yes. Observe the solution while approaching the solution. Solution given. Okay. In a cuboid, don't forget it. In a cuboid. So what they given? Observe, students. Right. Diagonal value is given. Sum of LBH value is also given. First, what is the diagonal of a cuboid formula? Yes, Square root of L square plus B square plus H square. Yes. Diagonal. So here diagonal equal to 5 root 5 centimeters. So diagonal formula, square root of L square plus B square plus H square equal to 5 root 5 students. Okay. Here observe, root is cancelled only for one way, that is squaring on both sides. Yes, squaring on both sides, that is square root of L square plus B square plus H square whole square equal to 5 root 5 whole square. 5 root 5 whole square. Okay, observe students here, square and square root get cancelled. Then remaining values are L square plus B square plus H square equal to. Here square distribute both numericals. So 5 square value 25. Root 5 whole square means square root get cancelled, only 5. 25 5 ja 125. 125. So we can get one value, that is L square plus B square plus H square equal to 125 students. Then and also given sum of LBH. Summation means adding plus. So that is L plus B plus H equal to how much given? Sum of value is 19 centimeters. 19 centimeters. So we get here surface area. Must and should squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Right. Squaring on both sides. Yes, L plus B plus H whole square equal to 19 whole square students. 19 whole square. So observe here carefully. This is in the form of A plus B plus C whole square. What is A plus B plus C whole square means? Yes, formula observe carefully. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 of AB plus BC plus CA. Okay? Or plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. In all the terms 2 as a common factor. Like this observe students. Explanation of this form value L square plus B square plus H square plus 2 of 2 of LB plus BH plus HL equal to 19 square value nothing but 361. 361. Right. Observe here. L square plus B square plus H square value we can get the result. How much value it is? 125. So these replace 125 students. So 125 plus 2 of LB plus BH plus HL equal to 361. Okay, plus 125 transfer to right side becomes minus. Okay, finally then 2 of LB plus BH plus HL equal to 361 minus 125. 361 minus 125. So this value is equal to total surface area. Isn't it or not? Yes. So total surface area of a cuboid. Finally, this replace we have taken. Total surface area equal to 361 125 6 3 2 236 square centimeters. 236 square centimeters. This is the solution, students. So first analyze the problem carefully. Then after what they given, what we find observing, then approaching the solution, we can get the result finally. Okay, this is the total surface area of a cuboid equal to 236 square centimeters, students. So observe the fourth problem. Two cubes each of edge are 6 centimeters are joined face to face. Find the surface area of a cuboid. So two cubes are joined face to face, automatically cuboid is formed. How it is observed, students? So solution given. Two cubes are joined Two cubes are joined face to face. Face to face. Then cuboid is formed. Cuboid is formed. Okay, how it is observed? So, first one, students. This is one cube, students. One cube. Okay, we discuss later what is cube, what is the definition. Okay, now let's observe here. This line, top line, like this, extend. And next, this line also extend. Okay, next, this line. And this line also extend. And join. Like this. Okay. Two cubes are joined, automatically cuboid is formed. Okay. So, how much each edge value? 6 centimeters. So here 6 and this also 6. Total how much length of a cuboid? 6 plus 6, 12 centimeters. And height, observe, this height value 6. Here also height 6 as the same, there is no change. And breadth, this breadth and this breadth and this breadth all are equal. So 6. Okay. Here observe, student, two cubes are joined face to face. Then cuboid is formed. Then next measurements, dimensions are L equal to 6 plus 6. Here this length 6, this length 6. Totally 12 centimeters. 12 centimeters. There is no change of breadth along with height. B value 6 centimeter, height also 6 centimeter. He asks surface area. Surface area means find two values, either LSA and TSA also, students. Okay. The next one, first one, LSA. LSA equal to 2 heads of L plus B. So then that implies 2 into 6 of L value 12 plus 6. So it becomes 2 6 are 12 into 18. So 18 2 are 36. 18 1 is 18 plus 3 216. 216 square centimeters. That is LSA of cuboid. Next, TSA, students. Then TSA equal to 2 of LB plus BH plus HL. So it becomes 2 of L value 12, B value 6. 12 into 6 plus 6 into 6 plus 6 into 12. So it becomes 2 of 12 6 are 72 plus 36 plus 72. So finally it becomes 2 into 72, 144, 150, 180. 180 into 2, 360 square centimeter. 360 square centimeters. Observe LSA and TSA value. TSA is always greater than a LSA. Why? Because of in LSA there is no top and bottom, but TSA we have taken both. Okay. This is the well, students. Tomorrow we discuss cube along with some related problems, students.